everybody. Welcome back. Happy Tuesday. Happy get ready for the holidays. We can't stop them. They're coming. So let's just craft through it and not stress. So in the one video, I showed you how I broke down this book, how I made the embossed pieces of paper, how I cut out all of the stuff, and then I told you I was going to make a journal with it. Well, guess what? I got motivated enough to tear those big pages in half and get our signatures done. So they're all basically the same. I mean, they've just got some Norman Rockwell spattered here, spattered there, a little here, a little there, just like so. I thought this was a good, a good start to it, right? That's the end of the first side, and then here we go in the second. So if you like Norman Rockwell, you don't have to guess at what each of these are. But I thought these make really good signatures. They're a nice, hefty size piece of paper. Lots and lots of writing space. And then here's the second one. This one was called Circus People. Different ones. This one was a Christmas one, but I didn't care. It's Norman. Dickinson Christmases. It's okay. It's Norman Rockwell. I'm going to keep all of the other Christmas stuff for a Christmas journal. See, there was the Circus People. So it's a variety of this, a variety of that, just a little of everything Norman. And I thought this was, again, a cool way to start it off. So here's the second section. And we're going to put a lot of pockets in here. I'm going to make some of those faux envelope pockets. We'll do some of the corner pockets. We'll do some little pockets to hold those little cards, and then on the back of them I'll put some brown paper bag. And then I'm going to go through my lace, and I'm going to get a variety of different laces out, and I'm going to lace all the page edges, right? Just like that. See, like on this, remember I was telling you we could take one of those pages and just glue it in the middle. Easy peasy. So journals like this, when you make them from an old book, almost make themselves. And then I'll put her some coffee dyed paper for her letters and notes and journaling. This lady has waited years for this journal. Years. So there we go. Now, I'm going to make the cover. I'm going to make the cover Dahlia style. And so when I do, I'm not going to do that on camera, but I'll put a link in the, in the description box to her channel, and you can go over and see any one of her album journals, and then she did a specific tutorial on the journals themselves, on the journal covers. So head on over there and get a look at Dahlia's channel, and you'll find out how to make the covers. So I'm going to make mine 6.5 wide by 9. So it's just slightly bigger than your average 5.5 by, or 9 by 6. This one's going to be 6.5 by 9. So not too much bigger, and it'll be a nice journal. And I liked it when I saw Dahlia do her cover, because this one I'm going to want to lay as flat as possible. Look, I didn't even notice that. How about that? I did not notice that. That was an actual accident. All right, happy accident. Okay, guys, so again, I'm going to make the cover off camera, and then we had that big old stack of already mades. Now I don't know where I put them. I'm always losing stuff, but this weekend my daughter's coming. She's going to help me do a little organizing. I hope we don't run out of time. But see, we have these. And this I might make a mini flip. You know what I mean? Like a mini, I'll show you. Let me get my scoreboard. This is going to be perfect, I think, for a mini flip. You'll get the idea of where I'm going when I get there, right? Okay, so see, we're gonna score. I would rather have a different score tool here. Then I'm going to turn it like this so my blind old eyes can see. We're going to go here. Whoa, I went through. Doggone it. I didn't want to go through. And then here. And then here. Man, that did not look. I knew I should have been more careful. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. Hang tight. I'm just going to do it myself. Sometimes not everything is as modern as we'd like for it to be. And then we'll score here. And then we'll score here. And here. And then we'll score here. And then we'll score here. So this will go, that might, yeah, that's not going to be the closure. It goes this way. This would be the front. Okay, then it would go this way. Then it would go this way. And then this would be the closure. Right there. That's actually pretty cool. It's one of those never endings. So we can just put a little piece of coffee dyed paper there, coffee dyed paper in there, coffee dyed paper in there. And that's what we'll do. Not in this particular video, but you'll see it when we get ready to do it. I will do it on camera. It's your basic never ending. So once you get here, you know what I mean? It's like a never ending. Do I have a never ending already made? I know I do. I had made several. I had never won one I wanted. I got them all put away, stashed here, stashed there. But anyhow, it keeps going and going and going. Did I hang it out? No, I don't know what I did with it. Oh well. Anyhow, we'll tear the paper to fit in here. And then you go, and then you're writing here. And then you'll flip it over and you're writing here. And then you'll flip it over and you're back to the front. That's the gist of it. So I think we'll make these. And then these will, maybe if the book is big enough, we'll have these as part of the, maybe it's part of the cover. No, I don't know if it will work on the cover because it's going to be never ending. No, that won't work, but we're going to hang on to that since I've already made it. And then when we get back, guys, I will have the cover made. Again, I would like for you to go over to Dahlia's channel if you want to see how she does it. And then we will, in our next video, when we work on Norm here, we'll get, we can actually decorate the cover together if we'd like. I was hoping to be able to use some of my, I guess you'd call them clusters, but they're big. And I don't know yet. I know I got some exciting stuff coming up, and sometimes it's hard to concentrate on one thing when you know you got something exciting coming up. All right, guys, with all that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you're having a fantastic week, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.